everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix there's a problem parsing the package error on Android. So let's get started. This problem usually occurs when you're trying to download an APK file from an unsupported website. This happens when there is a problem in the APK file or in your settings. So the first solution you can try is by allowing apps from unknown sources. This is because by default your Android device does not allow you to download files from other software. This is because mostly you only use Google Play Store to download apps. So what you will need to do is to go into your settings and then go into apps. Once under apps, scroll down until you find the option special access. Tap on it and now in here click on install unknown apps. And now make sure to toggle on and allow Chrome and Google. Now you can try re-downloading the APK file that you downloaded. This is because there might have been a connection issue which causes the APK file to not download properly and not run properly. And now there may be an issue from the website as well, so try downloading the APK from a different website. And now make sure that your Android is updated to the latest version. So go into settings and at the top search bar search for system update or software update. Now if you still cannot update to the latest version using the APK file, you can try downloading an older version. Many APK websites allow you to download a previous version as well. So go into the older versions and choose one of them. This issue may have also been caused due to system storage, so make sure you have enough space on your Android phone to allow to download those apps properly. You can also try disabling the antivirus software that is installed into your phone, because that antivirus might be trying to not allow the app to install. And please make sure to only do this if you know that the APK file is safe, and this should fix your issue. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.